Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is of course to mention that today we are the second Tuesday of the month of June 2019. That means that in about an hour's time, even less, there will be the release of Patch Tuesday updates. These are the important updates that are available for security. Of course, it always takes a little while before Microsoft actually gives us the information of what's in the package. So we will come back with another video today going through the different security updates in there, what is important or critical. There's always kind of a few sets of updates in there. There's the critical updates, there's the important updates. The difference, of course, is that critical, it's already being exploited by bad guys, or it's just so bad that it's easy to actually exploit. And since they release the information, well, bad guys will start working on this. So security update Tuesday is here, and in about not even an hour, maybe half an hour from now, updates will be flowing for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and a few the latest three latest versions of Windows 10. Sometimes they do issue them for earlier versions when there's really very, very important updates. And of course, if you're on long-term support, like enterprise long-term support, you will have them for even earlier versions of Windows 10. So check out your updates in about an half an hour. Roughly, they issue these updates at 1 p.m. Eastern. So if you check it while you see this video and there's nothing, check half an hour or an hour later, and they should actually show up pretty much for everybody. And apply these patches. It's very important. Patch Tuesday updates. You know, we talked about security last week, and what was important in there were updates. Well, Patch Tuesday security updates are very important to actually have. So please do update once you see them today. Of course, a lot of you have been saying, well, you know, they update automatically. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if you do nothing, they'll show up and install. But sometimes it takes a little while, and when some of these updates are really critical, it's actually not a bad idea to apply them as soon as you see them in Windows updates. And don't forget that now it's probably going to be both together. So if you see that there's also the feature update for the May 2019 update, don't worry. If you install Patch Tuesday security updates, it won't install the May 2019 update if you don't want it. It's a separate download section, so there's no danger there. And Patch Tuesday updates are important to install. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.